In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone in 2025 fast, easy, and for any iPhone model. Let me show you how. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, move down and find Phone app. Tap on it. Move down and tap Live Voicemail. If it's on, tap here to turn it off. Next, move back to the main menu. Tap on Phone app. Here, type hash then 002. Then end with hash. Click to call. This will erase all call settings to the default. If your phone supports 2 SIM cards, go and do the same process. And that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Next for more iPhone tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.